Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This is Monica here, ready with the last video lecture of Chapter 3, Class 2nd. In the last two lectures, we have covered the topics subtraction on number line, subtraction of two-digit numbers with or without borrowing, subtraction of three-digit numbers with or without borrowing. Today, we will do statement sums based on subtraction. Objectives of this topic are: students will be able to understand the statement. Students will be able to solve statement sums. Students will be able to relate daily life problems with subtraction. Dear students, now question arises here. How we will come to know that we have to do subtraction in statement sums? Have a look at this picture. There are some words like take away, decrease, remain, difference, minus, how many more, fewer, left. When these words will come in statement, then we have to do subtraction. Let's proceed with the first statement. A bus carried 80 passengers. At a bus stop, 45 passengers got down. How many passengers were left? To solve it, we should keep some points in our mind. The first point is read the statement very carefully, and after that underline the key points. So let's do it. In the first line, underline bus carried 80 passengers. In the second line, underline 45 passengers got down. In the third line, circle the word left. It means we have to find left passengers. Kids, what will we do to find the left passengers? Yes, we have to do subtraction. Let's start. Total passengers is equal to 80. Passengers that go down is equal to 45. Left passengers is equal to 80 minus 45. Now we can't subtract 5 from 0. So we will take borrow from 8. 8 will become 7 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So our answer is 35. Let's do one more example. A fruit seller had 355 mangoes. He sold 150 mangoes out of them. How many mangoes are left unsold? Underline fruit seller had 355 mangoes. In the second line, underline sold 150 mangoes. And in the third line, circle the word left unsold. Now left means we have to do subtraction. So let's do it. Total mangoes is equal to 355. Mangoes he sold is equal to 150. Mangoes left unsold is equal to 355 minus 150. At ones place, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. At tens place, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. At hundreds place, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, our answer is 205. 205 mangoes left unsold. I hope you understand the topic. Kids, we have covered all topics. Let's do notebook work now. First of all, write chapter 3 and name of the chapter subtraction in the center and date on the top left corner. On the next page, write chapter 3 on first line and heading subtraction of two-digit numbers without borrowing on next line. Leave 2 lines. Write these 4 statements on page like I have written. Let's do first sum. Look at ones place digits. That is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Kids, rough work you will do in rough. And then tens place digits, that is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. In the same way, you will solve rest 3 sums. Move to the next page again. Write chapter 3 on first line and heading on next line. Leave 2 lines. Write the statements properly and look at ones place digit in our first sum. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Tens place digits 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Hundreds place digit 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Our answer is 312. In the same way, you will do rest 3 sums. After that, open your next page. Write chapter number 3 again on first line. Heading on next line. After heading, leave 2 lines. Write statement and let's solve it. First, look at ones place digit. Kids, can we subtract 9 from 4? No, so we will take borrow. From tens place, 4 will become 14 at ones place and 4 at tens place will become 3. Let's do subtraction. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So our answer is 15. Kids, in the same way, you will do rest sums. Moving to the next page, we will write again chapter number 3 on first line and heading on next line. Leave 2 lines and write the statement. Look at ones place digit. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Tens place digits. Now we can't subtract 9 from 6. So we will take borrow from hundreds place digit. 6 will become 16 and 7 will become 6. So add tens place digits. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 and at hundreds place digits 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now open next page. Write the statement and read it carefully. Meenu invited 70 friends to a party. 25 of them could not come. How many friends came to her party? Now, suppose yesterday was your birthday and you invited 70 friends, but out of them only 25 came. And you want to find out how many friends did not come. Then what you will do, kids? Yes, you will do subtraction. You will subtract 25 from 70 and you will come to know that how many friends came to my party. So the next point is underline important points. In the first line, Meenu invited 70 friends to a party. Underline invited 70 friends. In the second line, underline 25 could not come. And in the third line, underline how many friends came. And after that, how will you write on the notebook? Write, invited friends is equal to 70. Friends who could not come is equal to 25. And friends who came is equal to 70 minus 25. Then after that, kids, can you subtract 5 from 0? No. So, we will take borrow from 7. 7 will become 6 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And our answer is 45. 45 friends did not come to party. Next statement is, in a book there are 210 pages. Ram has read 180 pages. How many pages are left unread? Now, suppose your teacher gave you homework to read 210 pages, but you have not completed your homework, and next day your teacher is asking how many pages you have read, and you said, "Ma'am, 180 pages." And the teacher is asking how many pages are left. Then how will you find how many pages are left? Yes, you will subtract 180 from 210. So, we have to do subtraction in this sum. After that, underline the important points. In first line, 210 pages. In second line, read 180 pages. And in third line, how many pages are left unread? Circle the point left unread. And how will you write the statement? Total pages is equal to 210. Pages he read is equal to 180. And pages left unread is equal to 210 minus 180. Now for subtraction, 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. But at tens place, we can't subtract 8 from 1. So we will take borrow from the hundreds place. 2 will become 1 and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we get the answer 30. 30 pages left unread. Kids, this is all about our chapter subtraction, and this is notebook work of chapter. For notebook work, link is given in the comment section. So do your work in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you for watching.